guys, it's Terika here from LNY Wig Boutique, and I'm here to show you guys how I got my hair from this to this using the brand new EasiVolume volume wefts from Renau. And today I'll be showing you guys the human hair 18-inch volume weft in the shade 4. So rule of thumb where I like to clip back my hair is right above my ears. After you have made your part, you're going to make sure all of your clips are open, and you're going to just place that right where you have your part. And just like that, you have instant volume and instant length. She comes in 10 beautiful shades and various lengths, so make sure you give her a try today. Bye guys.